everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about how can you launch your own OTT platform. Now if you want to sell your content and make some money out of it and you really are passionate about content creating, then this is the right place. So let's get started. So step 1 is sign up with Muvi. You need to sign up with Muvi, which is your OTT platform provider. You can give all your necessary details such as name, your phone number, and once all the above details have been provided, your Muvi store is instantly created within no time and you can preview your website. So step 2 is customizing your OTT platform. Now it's an important task for you to understand what kind of services would you like your OTT platform to provide. There are various ways that you can customize your platform, such as video on demand or audio streaming, video streaming. All these factors are really important because this will give you a direction towards understanding your OTT platform in a greater depth. So the third step is uploading the content. So once you're ready with the above two mentioned steps, now it's time to upload the content. For uploading the content, you need to provide a little bit of information such as the content name, the description, the release date, the content category. And once all these information has been up-to-dated, what you gotta do is you can upload the content and you can preview it instantly in the Muvi CMS. So step 4 is setting up a monetization model for your platform. Now Muvi provides a plethora of options to help you monetize your videos. These are SVOD, TVOD and AVOD. You can select which monetization method is more suitable and appropriate for your content. So Muvi lets you monetize your live streams and on-demand videos and audios as well. All you got to do is go to your CMS, take the monetization method that you think is more appropriate, and you are set. The fifth step is go live. Now once all the above mentioned steps are done by you, you are ready to launch your own OTT platform. A dream that you probably have been dreaming for a while, but now you have that opportunity where you can turn this into a reality. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of our feature-rich OTT platform and start your 14-day free trial right away. Turn your dreams into a reality. It's just a click away.